दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
Learned senior counsel appearing for the different banks have refuted the above submissions of learned senior counsel for the appellants. It is submitted that Section 3 of 1976 Act provides that the state government may, by notification, constitute for the purpose of this Act an authority to be called Industrial Development Authority for any industrial development area. It is submitted that authority is established under the 1976 Act, referring to provisions of State Bank of India Act 1955, Life Insurance Corporation of India Act 1956. It is submitted that statute provides for establishing of the corporation by virtue of a notification by the central government. It is submitted that in similar manners authority has been established by issuing a notification, hence authority has to be treated as established by the 1976 Act. Alternatively, it is submitted that the legislature has used the words by and under interchangeably, which is clear from the provisions. In the section 94A itself, differentiation in by and under has been done away with, that the authority established by 1976 Act is clearly covered by the notification. The notification dated 17/4/1976 establishing authority fulfills the mandate of by, hence it is clearly entitled for the benefit of the section 194A. Learned counsel for the parties have placed reliance on various judgments of this court, which shall be referred to while considering the submissions in detail. We have considered the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties and perused the record. Present set of appeals relates to section 194A of the IT Act 1961. Before we proceed to examine rival contentions of the parties, it is necessary to ascertain the concept of a corporation. A corporation is an artificial being which is a legal person. It is a body or corporate established by an act of parliament. It possesses properties and rights which are conferred by the charter constituting it expressly or incidentally. This court in another case had elaborately considered the concept of corporation. This court referred and relied the definition of corporation as given by Chief Justice in celebrated that case. Before us, there is no issue that the authority is not a corporation. It is also not contended before us that authority is not a statutory corporation. What is contended before us is that authority having not been established by a central, state or provincial act is not covered by notification, hence not eligible for the benefit. The provision of section 194A and the notification issued by central government under 194A falls for consideration. We may beneficially notice a principle of statutory interpretation which needs to be applied while interpreting the above provisions of IT Act 1961. A constitution bench of this court had occasion to consider the nature and character of corporation, including its early history. Justice Matthew, delivering his concurrent opinion, noted that corporations in 3 different centuries were far more like the bodies corporate we call public authorities today. One more principle which was reiterated by this court in above constitution bench judgment is that corporations which are instrumentalities of the government are subject to the limitation as contained in the constitution. The corporations which were under consideration in the above case, namely Life Insurance Corporation of India, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, Industrial Finance Corporation, were held to be constituted within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution. Two categories of corporations have been noticed, that is, statutory corporations and non-statutory corporations. Whereas the statutory corporations owe their existence from by or under statute, non-statutory bodies and corporations are not created by or under statute, rather are governed by a statute. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। लगातार प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए और आपने डिक्टेशन लिखी ही होगी 30 मिनट्स वाली जो 3000 वर्ड्स की थी। ऐसे ही मैटर्स आपके लिए लेके आता रहूँगा, आप उनको शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, कमेंट्स ज़रूर लिखिएगा। आप अपने अगर डिक्टेशन लिखते हैं तो बिल्कुल कमेंट आपको करना ही करना है, लाइक किए बिना नहीं जाना है। ये मैं आपको एक सेट पैटर्न बता रहा हूँ, हर डिक्टेशन के लिए आपको ये करना ही करना है। ठीक है दोस्तों, आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।